Hi everybody, thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Goddess Love Jameson, and I am sitting out here in nature, just contemplating life today. I was supposed to go to work. I have been an entrepreneur for the past 25 years, and I needed some extra money to fund my dream. And so I went and I took a job sitting in an office and answering phones. And I'm very grateful for the experience. And so today I've decided I'm not going to go in. My higher self has been calling me to go and connect with nature. So I'm sitting here. You can see the trees behind me, and I'm in nature. And I'm just breathing in this nice fresh air and enjoying the sun and the birds and the trees and the scenery. And it feels like home. It feels really good. No makeup, no hair extensions. Got my puffball, rocking my puffball. And it feels really good. You know, we are God in the earth realm, and God allows us to be in God. We create our worlds exactly how we see fit. And I have been distracting myself, busying myself with a bunch of things, and trying to make some things happen to be able to create a legacy for my children and grandchildren. But I've decided that my legacy is what I'm doing right now. Connecting with source energy, connecting with nature, connecting with my higher self. I cannot dishonor myself any longer by doing things that I don't want to do. I don't want to work somebody's job. No amount of money is worth me doing something that I don't want to do. And the energy that I feel behind it, dreading it, that's not good for me. My cells and my organs and my blood and my inner self. So, where I am. How do we make it work? We just gonna work it. I love you guys. Have a blessed and harmonious day.